How to make money on Freelancer with animation services. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you guys. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills. So for example, if I was a business owner or an individual looking for an animation or looking for animation services, I will just come to the platform, go to Hi Freelancers, go to Buy Skills, and here search for animation services. So here we have 2D animators, 3D animators. Let's go for 3D animators. Then as you can see, hire expert 3D animators for any job. So here by scrolling down, you will be able to see all of the freelancers, all of the animation freelancers that are doing this skill, and you will be able to see their profiles, how much they're getting paid per hour, their reviews, their feedback or their reviews. And here you will be able also to see their profile picture, see their description, their headlines, and so on. So in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how you can create your own profile like those people, and by creating this profile of yours, you'll be able to enter in a competition with them to have your own profile listed with those people in here, and you'll be able to get hired or to be hired by the visitors or the business owners who are looking for animators. So let's go back to the first page to show you how you can create your own profile. And here click on earn money for freelancing, and make sure to fill these information: your first name, last name, email, and password, the usual information. And then you click on join freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account, so here I'm going to proceed with my username and my password, then click on login. And then let's give it a few seconds to load. And here you'll be able to manage everything about your profile in your dashboard. Here you can see everything about your profile, and in this button in your top right, you can see every information about your account, starting with the profile to the membership to the account analytics, bid insights, settings, and finances as well. You can see your balance. If you want to add funds, withdraw funds, transaction history, financial dashboard, and payment sharing. You have also the support, or if you want to invite a friend, you can click on this and you'll have your own link, or if you want to log out from your profile. So let's go up and let's go to view our profile. And here you'll be able to change everything about your profile. And as you can see, we have a lot to change. Our profile is empty, no jobs completed, no reviews. We don't even have a profile picture, so you will need to edit all of these things. So first click on edit profile, and here in order to edit your profile, you will need to verify your email. As you can see, email verification required. So make sure to verify your email, then change what you want to change about your profile, and then you proceed to the verifications. So these things are very important to complete, like joining a preferred freelancer group, verify your identity. As you can see, identity not verified through a government issued ID, check and approve of others, payment verified, not verified to have a valid payment method, phone verified, phone number not verified, email as well, and also if you can connect your Facebook account, that will be very good. And if you are asking why I need to do all of these things, so basically guys, by completing all of these things, you will help your profile to get trust or to gain trust and credibility in this platform. And by gaining trust and credibility, you will get more clients. And when you're done with the verifications, then you proceed to enter in your hourly rate. So as you can see, we cannot enter anything because we didn't verify our email. Then you proceed to enter in your professional headline and the summary as well. And after you're done with those things, then we proceed to add in our skills. So here, let's click on this pencil here, and let's remove these ones. And as you can see, you can add up to 20 skills. Let's remove these ones, and let's look for animation. And here we have animation, 3D animation, 2D animation, and whatever skill you can perform. And after you're done with selecting your skills, go down and click on save to save those changes. After that, you proceed to fill in your portfolio. This also will help your profile get more or gain more credibility and trust. And for the reviews, you cannot add anything here. You can just see them because the reviews can only be added by the clients. Then you can add your experience as well, education, qualifications, and publications. All of these things are going to help you gain more trust and credibility. And guys, after you're done with changing and improving your profile, then let's proceed to find some jobs. So let's go to browse, click on projects, and here you'll be able to see all of the posted projects that are looking for someone with your skills. But first we will need to remove this book writing, and let's search for animation. Let's select this one to see the jobs that are posted in here. So this one is looking for logistic 3D video explainer, and he's paying $522 per hour, or for the project as a whole. So here you can click on the project in order to read the project. You can also check the comments about the project. Let's check the comments, and here by scrolling down we'll be able to see everything about the project. And to get all of the project details and see if the price fits you, then you can apply for that project if you see that it fits you. And the same with the other projects. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below.